What's up, y'all? My name is Aurora. Today I have a really exciting video for you. I am always getting questions on my Instagram about my fake hair. From wigs to extensions to ponytails, I am always trying to find a new way to switch up my style, and hair is a bomb way to do that. So I'm always getting questions about what hair I use, what types of products I would recommend. So I thought today I would walk you guys through. I have all of my hair right here. I'm going to be sharing with you guys my entire collection and letting you guys know what products I think everybody should have. All of the hair that I'll be featuring in this video is from INHHair, or insert name hair. I'm not being sponsored to talk about this. I just want to share with you guys my collection and put you guys on some hair. But before we get into it, if you like videos that are about beauty, fashion, hair, room decor, pretty much everything, but on a budget, just go down below and hit subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and you'll be alerted every single time I post a new video. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter or IG, it's Rory Bell with 3 L's and 1 E. Let's get into it. I'm so excited to show you guys my collection. Okay, so here is what I keep all my hair in. I have this big bin. I store it in my closet, so just be warned. Some of this hair might be like bent. I didn't take the time to like straighten and style every single piece in here. Let me give you a little bit of backstory onto why I like fake hair so much. I've always been into beauty, I've always been into fashion, and I felt for a while like I constantly wanted a way to like switch up my style without commitment and without a lot of effort. And I knew like celebrities wore fake hair and wigs and stuff like that, but I never really thought that that was something that I could do. So yeah, the first thing in my collection is actually the first item that I bought from the company. This is the Mia ponytail. It's super long. Let me sit up for you guys. It's super long. It's like the most extra everyday ponytail. It comes kind of like right to my waist. Honestly, I think if you're gonna get one thing from this video, it should be this. That all of the ponytails are super easy to put in. You either just have your hair naturally in a ponytail and you wrap this ponytail around it, or you can throw your hair up in a bun. You can see my hair peeking out. I did not straighten it very well, so it usually would look a little bit better than this. But if maybe you have short enough hair where you can make it into a little mini bun, that is a great way to hide your hair underneath. And they have a ton of different colors. So Mia, this ponytail is my favorite. I'm just gonna reach into the bin and grab stuff and show you. They give you these really bomb satin bags for free when you order, which makes it super easy to store and to travel with. Okay, so like I said, I don't know what's in here. I'm just gonna grab it and tell you. Okay, how funny that this is the one I pulled. This is a wig that they just dropped. I'm filming this on June 18th and they literally dropped this today. This is their Henny wig. It's such an easy way to switch up your look, and like I said, it's no commitment. If you're somebody who has longer hair and you're always wanting to cut it shorter, you don't have to commit. You can throw it on and take it off all in one day. So this is Henny. It is a brown wavy little bobbed wig with these really cute bangs. Now I'm not going to try all these wigs on in this video, but if you guys would like to see a video of me taking a wig from when I first receive it and styling it, inserting it into my hair, let me know down below. I'd be happy to film that for you. I will insert pictures. It's super beginner friendly. You guys see that it comes with bangs. You can get it, take it out of the packaging, plop it on your head, and it's ready to wear. Some of the wigs that don't have bangs, I always like to take a little bit of extra time to style it to make it look as natural as possible. But if you don't want to do that, if you don't know how to do that, I would definitely recommend a wig with bangs. And yeah, it gives me the perfect shoulder length bob. Next up, again, I'm just grabbing and going. This one is called Olivia. If you watch Law and Order SVU, this is like and I don't know if they meant to do this, but this is the Olivia haircut. If you watch Law and Order, you know Olivia Benson, you know that this is Liv's haircut. This is a wig that does not have bangs. Now all of their wigs have pre-cut lace, so like I said, I always try and take a little bit of extra time to make the front of my wig look as natural as possible. If you are somebody who just, like I said, wants to plop it on your head and go, you could do that, but they also allow you to customize your wigs. If you want to pluck the wig or you want to lay it, you want to glue it, whatever, you can do that. These wigs come with clips and also adjustable straps in the back so that you can perfectly fit it to your head. This is totally my summertime wig, so I love the Olivia wig. Next up, so this is the Kennedy wig. This is a beautiful, beautiful blonde. I'm not gonna lie, this is my favorite. If you're gonna get one wig, I would definitely recommend this one. It's such a good blonde and it looks really natural. I have a ring light on, so it's showing up a little bit more shiny than it really is. This is just my favorite. Okay, next up, okay, this is one of my favorite ponytails. This is the Shayla ponytail. It's a super, super curly, voluminous ponytail. They all come with 2 bobby pins when you buy the ponytails. As you can see, it comes with a clip, and you just take this Velcro piece, you just wrap it right around, and then it comes with this excess hair. You continue to wrap it, then with the bobby pins that they give you, you can just pin it right in place. This has become my party pony. Anytime that I'm going out, anytime I know I'm gonna be dancing or having fun, I just throw my hair up in a slick ponytail, like kind of at the middle of my head, throw this on, wrap it around, and you just have endless curls. And because it's so voluminous and curly, it never like falls flat, it doesn't get disgusting. It's just, this is like my dancing ponytail. Okay, next up is a little bit of a curveball. I have Luxe extensions from them. These are 22 inches, real Remy hair. They're ethically sourced. Yeah, they come in a bunch of different colors. I never knew I wanted extensions. I never knew I would benefit from extensions. I have pretty long hair. These have changed my life. Look how thick this is, and these are all clip-in. Obviously, I haven't straightened them or anything like that. These are amazing. If you don't have extensions, I would definitely recommend investing in some extensions. Obviously, if you're going with real human hair like this, it's gonna be more expensive, but even these are so affordable compared to some of the other extensions I've seen. They give you instant drama, instant volume. They blend in like a dream. So yeah, even though these are obviously more expensive than like some of the synthetic pieces that I've shown you, they are still super high quality, super affordable for what you're getting, and they will literally last you a lifetime if you take care of them. So I'm obsessed. I would totally recommend extensions. They have a few different versions too if you don't want to spend as much money. Next, this is such a fun wig. So this is their demi wig. It is a super, super voluminous, purplish red curly wig. Honestly, it gives me such Ariel vibes. It gives me summer boardwalk vibes. You put it on and you're like, should I dye my hair? Because I look cute. 2 more. This next one is quickly becoming my favorite. This, oh my god, this is a tinsel ponytail. This is called Casey. It's inspired by Casey Musgraves, and it is just something else. So it has this rainbow tinsel. Girl, I can't even tell you how much I've worn this. It's such a fun ponytail, even just to wear with hoodies and sweats and just throw this on to glam it up. It is the most extra thing in the whole wide world. I love the length of this. It's like the perfect length. It's such a wild card party pony that you're gonna get and you're gonna be like, I don't know, I don't really think I'm gonna be able to wear this, and I'm telling you, it's gonna become your favorite ponytail ever. That's what I love so much about this company, is they're constantly putting out just like mind-blowing items that you've never seen before. My last wig in my collection is the Billy wig. It's a super, super sleek bob. Doesn't look that sleek because I had it in the bag. Just ignore that. Like I said, I'll post a picture. But it has black roots. It's the most icy, silverish purple. If you know me or if you follow me, you know that I pretty much exclusively wear black, white, and gray. And so when I got this, I was so excited because it's the most subtle pop of color. This is my icy girl wig. This is my winter wig with like a cute little furry beanie and like a white puffer coat. Y'all can't tell me anything. Okay, you guys, that is it from me. I hope you guys enjoyed this wig ponytail collection video. Like I said, if you guys would like a full wig tutorial, let me know down below. Be sure to subscribe and follow me on Twitter and IG at RoryBelle with 3 L's and 1 E.